Today I'm going to show you how to make the salted duck egg yolk chicken wings with pumpkin. Let's get started! Let's marinate the wings with half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Marinate this for 30 minutes. Mash the salted duck egg. Set this aside. Let's separate the egg yolk and the egg white. After 30 minutes, add the egg white to the chicken wings. And the potato starch. Okay, and set this aside. And let's work on the pumpkin. Season this with some salt. And add the egg white. And the potato starch. Let's deep fry the wings. Wow, look at this. Oh gosh. This is perfect. And let's fry the pumpkin. This is 1 minute. Let's cook this out. Oh yeah, look at this, so beautiful. And let's set this aside. And let's add the butter. Let's add the garlic. Add the ginger. Add the chili. And add the curry leaves. Add the egg yolk. The salted egg yolk. Ooh la la. Increase your heat to medium. The sugar. And the egg yolk. Quickly stir it. Let's add the chicken wings. And the pumpkin. And that's it, guys. My salted duck egg chicken wings with pumpkin is done. Yummy! And let's give this a try. Oh, smelling good. Oops. Oh wow, look at this. Look at that deliciousness. It's so good. And the unique flavor of the salted duck egg. Oh my god, this is a winner. Always the best. So good. I really love this recipe. This recipe is simply irresistible. And the pumpkin? So yummy. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye. Let's try one more. Yummy.